Hey everyone, it's Michael Bernier of Think Outside, and I'm glad you're here with me today because on today's episode of What the F Were They Thinking, we're actually talking about one of my favorite plants, a plant I f***ing love, which is the Euphorbia tyrucale, also known as sticks on fire. And today we're going to talk about why this is a really bad idea and what the fuck were they thinking. Hey, it's Michael Bernier of Think Outside, and what the f were they thinking? You've probably seen this plant before. It's real popular. Landscape designers love to use this one. I love to use this one, but it really is important about where you put this thing, because this plant right here, as you can see, it gets quite large and it gets even larger. But the problem, what we're going to talk about today, is the problem is where this was planted. This was planted right next to a sidewalk. Why that's a problem? That's a problem because these things here, if you brush past one and walk by, this milky substance here, if that gets onto your skin, it could irritate your skin, or if it's in your eye or your mucus, really bad. Very sensitive. It can be really bad. But what's also worse is this could get on a pet. If a dog walks by here and this gets on your pet, that's even worse. And oh my God, look who's here. My buddy Mambo. Mambo, you're here just in time to help me make my point. You're exactly what I'm talking about. You don't want to get too close to this, because this right here, if this got on your skin, this would totally irritate your skin and make you a very unhappy dog. So it's good to see you, Mambo. So thanks for coming by, and thanks for tuning in. And remember, think outside, live outside, and make your world a more beautiful place.